In 2025, cyber threats are targeting UK manufacturers more than ever. Are you protected? Let's talk about cyber essentials and why it's critical for your business. From ransomware to IP theft, manufacturers face growing cyber risks. Cyber Essentials is your first line of defense. Cyber Essentials is a government-backed scheme that helps you protect your data, your systems, and your reputation. 5 practical steps to achieving Cyber Essentials. Step 1. Identify your critical assets. Step 2. Assess your cyber risks. Step 3. Implement the 5 Cyber Essentials controls. Step 4. Train your team. Step 5. Get certified. Certified manufacturers win more contracts, reduce downtime, and build trust. Ready to secure your growth? Visit Equilibrium Risk to start your journey.